Yo, what's up everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate you all tuning into the live stream. And yes, before you tune in, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. Hold on, let's see. So yeah, pretty much doing this regular way. Want to go over these day trades, and then yes, we will go over these swings as well. Alright, so let's see. Hold on one second here. I'm gonna pretty much change up everything here. Alright, so as for the cues, we're gonna knock this one out first. Give me 1 second here. 1 second. Gonna pull up pretty much all these other chats here, and then we will get started. Maybe I should turn that brightness down a bit so you guys can see. That'll be great. All right, let's see. 1 second here. 1 second. Yo, Carla, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. Yeah, everything's ripping right now. Tesla, is it still going? Honestly, after that play, I haven't really checked on it. Hold on, give me 1 second. All right, so as for the cues, didn't really get to touch this one today. As you can see here, we did have this upside, which I still like. So I do want to see above the 612.47, and then yeah, we got the empty space. So this may end up happening tomorrow. That's that, and then yes, we do also have that next little gap up that I can see here. So we got a lot of moves for tomorrow if this ends up happening. For the downside, we could not get that close under, and yes, we got a lot of downside here. So this nice gap there, that looks good. And then under that 607, that's what I was kind of waiting for, which looks decent. All right, let's go over SPY. So SPY, we actually did end up getting that close under. So we closed under this wall here, but with this next candle, we kind of just chopped, and I wanted to see if we could retest that 676. I know a few members ended up getting in for a nice quick scalp, but yeah, we didn't want to finish that move. So yes, I will have to tweak this box up just a bit. I still like the upside. Upside still looks good to me above that 681. Hopefully in the morning we can make some moves. So that's what I can see there. I probably will have to tweak this chart up. Looks like we're forming a new box. All right, yes, let's keep on going. Tesla. So we'll go over IWM. We'll go over Meta. Actually, I'll leave BA up. I'm gonna leave that up. WMT. Yep, let's do it. All right. So, dang, yeah, that's wild. Yeah. So yeah, Tesla's. It's doing its thing. Hold on. I got to turn this brightness down. Hopefully you guys can see it a little bit better. Alright, yeah. So, yeah, this was pretty much the play of the day. Obviously, if I would have held until now, I guess you could say, yeah, I definitely would be up a lot more. But, yeah, this was pretty much the play here. We had this clear gap down, and I charted this on a 30-minute chart. So, we broke above our wall. We went above on this lower time frame. And we ended up smacking that, and I'll be honest, my final targets were hit. I was already out a long time ago. Now it looks like it's trying to run. You can see that little trade there from this morning. Clear gap down, empty space, above us. We end up smacking that, and then we kind of just chopped after that. So yeah, nice little day. You can see a couple members ended up hitting that little trade there. Beautiful, beautiful day. On NQ, yeah, we can look at it. Where do we sell if Tesla goes to all-time highs? Man, honestly, that would definitely be a question for Clock. I don't really trade to all-time highs or try to catch entries unless if I'm in lottos. For me, at least, I'm just gonna wait for more empty space. Just like, you know, we had this crazy run up and then we ended up dropping again. I will be looking for this downside here. For tomorrow, I'm just going to let it play out and then see if we can build some more empty space. So that's just my standpoint on that. For all we know, we could end up getting that continuation since there's nothing stopping us. All right, let's see. Yo, Milo, appreciate sharing the live stream. All right, WMT. Oh, that doesn't look too bad, I will say. Hold on, let's look at this upside first. So yeah, nice, beautiful day. I did want that SPY, but we kind of chopped, so I was like, look, guys, I wouldn't take that entry serious, and glad we did it. All right, so Walmart, it doesn't look bad. I like the 24 hour, so it looks like we're trying to get that continuation, but hold on, I'll write this down. Actually, it actually looks really good. So hold on, where's my notes book? All right, I got it. All right, so yeah, Walmart looks good. So yeah, we got a nice top wall there, nice bottom wall here. Maybe I should turn the brightness down a bit so you guys can actually see my charts. That'd be great. And then yes, right below that, we got empty space. So kind of want to see us breaking under this. Hold on, let me make this a little bit perfect. So under that 113 area, yeah, we got empty space down to this. Personally, I would see it down to that 106, which looks good. So right now, you know, just gonna stay patient. It actually looks good. Pretty good move down if it ends up happening. So yeah, not too bad there. Empty space along those lines. Right now we're just in that box. So you can see after, you know, this the Tesla play that we had, we kind of, you know, just stayed in our boxes. I had a couple other trades that I was waiting for, but yeah, I'll be honest, I just don't take any BS trades or obviously lottos are fine, but yeah, that's that. All right, so yeah, that's that. Let's keep on going. IWM next leg down, so this ended up hitting here. So I know a few members ended up getting into this too as well. Some held pretty much all the way, and then as for right now, so that empty space hits for tomorrow. This is what I would like to see. So pretty much same thing, just a little bit quicker if that could happen. So yeah, this clear gap up, no consolidation under that 248. We got that empty space down to that 247 potentially. So yeah, it looks good. So yeah, that's on IWM. All right, so yeah, we covered pretty much all these ETFs. Let's go over let's see, let's go over these swings now. So I think you want to see what Q 24-hour chart. We can definitely look at that. Hold on, I got you. So let's see if it can. All right, 24-hour chart. I'll be honest, I don't really see anything that I like. Yes, there is some structure to this downside here. What I will say though is that we got a box here. So pretty much, yeah, another box. And kind of want to see us breaking outside of this little level here and then empty space. So about like a 300-point move if that ends up happening to this upside. So right now in that box, no trade. So if you're in my Discord, you guys know this by now. I would not tell my members, oh, let's just get in just because it looks good. This and that and this. No, just wait. So just like all these other trades, and not just today. You can see, you know, what we did today. You can see what happened yesterday. In the box, no trade. We break out our wall. We take that trade there. Same thing, IWM. Actually had Tesla 2 as well yesterday. You can see what a few members did on that little trade. QQ. Day 3 of trades was starting with just $100. So yeah, we're trying to get some good entries here. So yeah, looking for some end of day swings now. Walmart looks good. That is on my list. We'll keep on going. Yo, Ramez, what's up? BA, yep, got you. I did see that we did have a crazy move today on this. All right, so on this 4 hour, we broke above our level here. And JPM, yep, gotcha. Hold on, I'll pull that up. Hold on, JPM as well. Yep, let's do it. It doesn't look bad. I kind of like this 24-hour a little bit better. So on this 4 hour, we actually had this break above, and now it looks like we're trying to retest our wall. So I kind of would want to see a us break outside of this 206 area into this empty space, which looks good. And let me see here. So I kind of want us to clear this. So if, on the 24-hour chart, if we can get a nice clear break outside, it looks good. The only thing about this is I would probably try to get a little lotto. So for me at least, I kind of want to see if we can break above and then maybe like a small position and see how we open up for tomorrow. So it doesn't look too bad. Because BA does like to play around. As you can see, we broke above today and then we kind of played around with it. So yeah, we'll love to see if we can get that final move. All right, cool. So that's on BA. Let's look at JPM. Yo, Fritz and Super, what's up, bro? So yeah, so we did BA. We got to do JPM, UAL. All right, cool. And then Fig. All right, perfect. And yes, if you do plan on joining the Discord, links in the bio. We do have that free chat. We also have the VIP chat as well. You can, scroll through and see what we do here. We will be dropping a winter Christmas code probably end of today. So after market closes, that will be posted. It's going to be probably the biggest one ever. All right, let's see here. JPM, it looks good, man. Okay. Actually, okay, I will use this 4-hour. The 4-hour looks good. Or the 2-hour, sorry. But let me check this higher time frame, maybe this weekly or this okay. I'll be honest, I like the 2-hour. It looks good. I missed the first initial move though, so I didn't actually get to get this move here. But so this definitely would have been a box here. Kind of want to just box this whole thing up right here. And so it looks like we're pretty much going back and forth in between these levels. So under that, let's see. Yo, App, thanks for the follow, man. Appreciate it. So let's see. Under that, 314, if we can get that clear break. End of day looks good. Person wants to see down to that 309. So basically what I'm referring to, empty space. So not too bad there. We're just inside of consolidation. All right, let's see here. GT, all right, cool. We'll do that. UAL, there were a couple good ones. We'll go over these two as well for end of day. So yeah, looking for at least one swing. Want to have like at least one decent one. Okay. I do see something there. I do see something. Give me 1 second here. All right, so on this weekly, it looks like there's nothing really stopping us. Yo, Lawnmower, what's up, bro? All right, so it looks like, hold on, I kind of want to go to this, yeah. 24-hour chart, we'll break it down. So I'll be honest, nothing really stopping us. The only thing that I can see that could end up happening potentially is this empty space above. So 110 up to this 114. It looks really good. All right, so yeah, not too bad. If we can get that continuation, looks good. But yeah, other than that, if we break that, nothing really stopping us. Yo, Danny, what's up, man? Long time no see, my guy. What time frames do you usually put on for quick trades? Yo, Lotto, what's up? What's up? So personally for me, pretty much every day inside the Discord, I try to do like a 1 hour, maybe a 30-minute chart. For me, it's good enough. It's good enough risk to reward, and the moves are pretty much quicker. So, just like since we're on yesterday, you can see what happened yesterday. IWM, you can see these were on what, 1 hour charts, 30-minute charts there. You see he made $1,000. One member just started with $100, and after a couple days, he's doing pretty well. So yeah, you can see this is a 30-minute chart, and those are going to be quick trades. I do like to catch at least 1 or 2 in the mornings with the Discord. And yeah, that's that. You can see what happened today on Tesla. So it gave 2 entries to the downside and upside. The first one, or the second one here, clear gap down, no consolidation. You can see we're on a small little 30-minute chart there. If I would have waited for that 30-minute close, I would have missed this move though. So I told the team, I was like, hold on, let's see, it was on, so yeah. So you can see this 30-minute where we were, and then I just told them, look, if in, just need that stop loss. We just closed above, and we had some good volume into that trade, and then yeah, the rest is pretty much history. See the next candle, we pretty much shot up, and we touched those TP. So we were pretty much done with our trades in the first 30 minutes, an hour, and then we were waiting for a couple other ones. But yeah, we kind of just chopped. But I will say for my swing trades, it's going to be on a higher time frame. You would never see me swing something on a 30-minute. All right, so yeah, let's keep going here. Okay, hello. Okay, hold on. Let's see. Okay, hello, and then yes, let's take a look at BABA. Got you, Fritz. Got you, my guy. All right, so for Netflix, let's take a look here. Made 150% on TLY. Yo, Ray, keep up the great work, man. What's the best time frame to trade? So I like to have higher time frame analysis than a lower time frame entry. So it also just depends on how we're moving, how we're pushing. If I do a lower time frame, it has to have some good volume, like a 5-minute, 3-minute for entries. If we're stalling, I do like to wait for that actual same candle closure and then see if we can make a move. So that's why I'm in the Discord. I'm like, look, guys, I can see what's happening, and that's why I try to alert pretty much everything. And you know, we take really simple trades, and if it works, cool. One member made 1K off of just that little play. The ladies did great today. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, what time of day? Yeah, no worries. I will say in my Discord, the first hour is probably like the main. So maybe the first hour, hour or two is probably the best time for me, at least. That's when I catch my main trades for sure, and then after that I try to go for those innovate swings. All right, so we'll keep on going. Ooh, actually, okay, hello doesn't look bad. It looks like, hold on, we got a little box here. It's a nice top wall there, nice bottom wall here. It looks like I missed the move though, so I probably won't enter into this one. But yeah, under that 85, 72, we did go into that empty space. We tapped that first TP. If we want to finish it, we'll want to see down to that 74, 65. So yeah, it looks really good. Looks really good. Q's going for a breakout. All right, hold on. I got it. Yeah, we'll take a look at it. Hold on, let's see. Is it trying? I probably won't take it though, since we did pretty well on it. Or for today. But I mean, it still looks good. Yeah. So this is something that I would want this morning. Like this morning, I was waiting on this. We almost had it. We were right there. We just didn't get a break or a close or any sort of thing. So I was like, look, chill out on this one. We're gonna wait for a different setup. And right now we're still in that box. I was hoping for a smaller time frame close, but yeah, empty space is above there. So if this doesn't happen now, I would love to take this tomorrow morning. All right, so let's see here. GT, someone wanted to see this as well. 24-hour charts. Oh, okay. Yeah, it doesn't look bad, I will say. Yo, Nate, yeah, I got you, bro. We'll do that next. Good to see you, bro. All right, so we'll see here. Let's take a look. So GT. All right, so since I didn't get this entry, I would have I do have a different box, I will say. So for me to end up trying this one, I kind of would want to see above that 903 if we can get a strong clear close. And then yes, we got empty space, which is right above us, up to this, personally, that 994, which looks good. So see clear gap down, no consolidation, not too bad there. What about BA? Did we not do BA? Okay, I think we pulled it up, but yeah, we didn't do it yet. I got you. So yeah, we'll do RIVN and then BA. I got you guys and gals. How do I get on your Discord? So yes, the Discord link is in the bio. It's that first link. It's the free chat, the VIP chat as well. So yeah, honestly, join the free chat, see how you like it. You know, ask questions if you have questions. This is the free chat here. You can see what we do inside the Discord. If one trade doesn't work, that's fine. But yes, we will be posting we will be posting the biggest code of this year today. So we'll probably won't have another code, but it is Christmas time. Everyone has been asking me for codes and stuff, so gonna probably do like a nice little thing here, and then probably next week or so I kind of want to drop the merch. Supposed to be finishing it up this week too as well. So, but yes, link is in the bio for pretty much everything. All right, so RIVN, yeah, it's looking good here. So yeah, this is like a perfect example here. And I'll be honest, I wasn't in this trade. I was in a couple other ones. Yeah, just make sure to look out for the yearly and lifetime. We're going to do something crazy too. Obviously for the weekly and the monthly, we'll do something really good for that as well. All right, so as for right now, so for RIVN, this is like a great play right here. We got the empty space. I missed it. I tried this one out, but didn't take it right. You can see, yes, we closed under our wall. I get it on the first candle. We ended up dropping down. A lot of people are thinking like, oh, we missed the move, but we came back and we closed under. Next candle, we retested our wall. You can use that as an entry, and then boom, empty space to this downside. We are almost at our first TP, so that's at 1754. If we end up continuing to drop, that's 1666. That's that final there. But for me, since I'm not in this trade, I won't be entering since it's close to my target. And if I was in this trade, for me at least, I probably would end up trimming most and then just leaving some runners. Yo, Scuba, what's up, bro? Put City, man. ABGO, yes sir, man, I got you. Alright, so yeah, that's on RIVN, empty space. Still looks good. I still like the downside though. Alright. So GT isn't bad. RIVN, we did that. So yeah, if we can't continue 1666. AVGO. And we gotta do BA. We haven't done BA yet, I don't think. Or actually we did do BA, I do remember this. So so if I end up taking BA, it would have to be like a lotto for me. Like an extreme lotto. So yeah, we did end up going over this. So we actually closed on this 4 hour. We closed above this 4 hour chart, and then do want to see if we can get a nice rejection close outside of this box here. And if we can, yeah, do want to see that empty space finally hitting. So looks good. But yeah, I'll look at this end of day. If we can get some close like this, it isn't bad. But the thing about BA, likes to play around. We could end up opening to this downside and then trying to finish that move a couple days later. That's the thing about BA. I think the last time we traded it, I think it dropped first and then it had like a crazy run. So yeah, that's why I'm like, I would rather, you know, have like a extreme lotto and then see if I can add or cut. Pretty much. He said F, yeah. Yeah, I will say we got better trades other than BA, for sure. Alright, AVGO. I think we... Alright, don't get confused. It's just a box, alright? It's just a box, I swear. Did you take Q puts last week or no? I'm pretty sure we did. I'll be honest, I'm not sure all the trades I took last week. But I know the Qs was definitely one of those. So we probably traded the Qs like pretty much every day, or almost every day, I would say, if there's a setup. All right, so yeah, AVGO looks good. So 325 to the downside. I want to see down to that 308, which looks decent there. I will say though, to this upside, it actually. So we'll go ahead and get rid of this big box, so you're not confused of what I'm looking for. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. It looks like we're outside of our box here. Honestly, I could tweak this up a bit. There we go. So yeah, looks like we're outside of our wall. Do want to see if we can hit that empty space above. So yeah, this is on a nice little 1 hour chart. If we can get that continuation, empty space, not too bad. Alright. Alright, cool. So it actually looks good. Kind of want to see a nice little strong close though. If we can get that. Alright, okay, actually, what's today? Today is Tuesday. I kind of want to look at some earnings for this week. I haven't looked at any earnings for this week. For today. Let's see. So today is Tuesday the 16th. After close, we got LEN. Alright, I'm actually going to leave that up. It's not too bad. BA, not too bad either. But BA would have to be an extreme lotto for me. Tesla is flying. Is it flying? And yes, we got to do BA. Hold on. Or we did BA. Tesla. Dude, yeah, honestly, I should... If I would have known it would have, held and went even higher, I definitely would have, held even more. But honestly, my final target hit, man, I can't even complain. I'm just grateful, shout out Jesus, that we were able to, catch a nice little play. Could someone post the Discord link in chat or message me? The link is not showing on bio. Yo, Undisputed. So it should be that WAP link. So it's that first link. If it's not showing up, I think Milo should drop it. Or just give me a DM. So I'll answer DMs today, even though I suck at answering DMs. All right. So yeah, Tesla. It's still insane. We could end up getting that continuation, but yeah, that's that. We already had this little play here. We hit both TPs, so that was a great little day there. Obviously tomorrow looks good. Man, all I gotta say is if we build some structure, let's say we go up even higher, we build some structure, I'll take this back down to the downside, so it looks good. All right, so that's that. We gotta go over FIG, BA. So yeah, I'll be honest here, we ended up. So I missed this move, and there's gonna be moves that I miss, which is fine. Not gonna cry about it. Just gonna look for something else. As for this, we had this clear gap up, no consolidation. Under that 152, we ended up breaking, and then we ended up touching that 149, and then that finals that 147. So that's if that can happen, which looks good. But as of this second here, I could care less if it goes, since I'm not in that. All right, so AMD, TLRY. All right, cool. TLRY. All right, perfect. Yeah, we'll go over it. And also LEN, let's take a look here. We're going to look at all these trades. So AMD, let me take a look here. AMD, TLRY. All right, so AMD. Let's take a look here. All right, so yeah, this was the one. So this was from this morning here. So this is the one I did end up missing. So Glock said the link is showing on PC and mobile. Okay, yeah, that link should work. If you're trying to get into the Discord, it should be on. So it's not a direct Discord link, it's to the WAP that will get to the Discord. So, and yes, the free chat is there if you guys would like to. Yo, Fabby, appreciate the gifts. Hope you're having a great one today. Alright, so yeah, looks good. Empty space. Above us, obviously, I could care less about this since I missed it. I think if we end up continuing, could end up staying up to this 210, which looks good. And yes, I'll turn that back on, so no worries about that. Actually, it looks a lot better like this. But yeah, empty space above. Hold on, I gotta enter this pass in. Alright, cool. Alright, perfect. Yo, appreciate it. Okay, so AMD, empty space above there. Obviously what I was actually waiting for. So this is another move that I do like above that 213. Empty space, which is above us. Cool, cool, cool. So AVGO, Whiskey Golden, what's up, man? AVGO, yes, sir. I think we go over this? Okay, yeah, we did. All right, so yeah, we charted this on a 1 hour today. And as of right now, we are currently above our top wall here. So yeah, it looks good, man. Clear gap down. We broke above consolidation. Now it just depends on if we want to, hit those targets or go back into the box there. Still got what, 36 minutes left before market closes. So hopefully, if we're at the end of the day, so the next 30, maybe 32 minutes later, if we're still above our wall and we can close above, I would like the empty space above us. If we go back in between this or in this box here under this 342, could see the more of that downside. So got to be very careful with that. So this is the downside I'm looking for. We're just not there yet under that 325. And yes, everyone, just make sure to do your own research. Not selling anyone to get in or out of trade. So please do your own research. Yo, Fabby, yep, got you with RVN. Let's see here. So we didn't TLRY. Okay, hold on. Let's see. Okay. TLRY and RVN. Let's take a look here. All right, hold on. 1 second. All right, so I'm looking for something new since this kind of already hit this. So there was this. Okay, please leave me alone. So we had this clear break outside of our wall. We end up touching that first TP already. I'm going to use this box here. So it looks like we already broke outside of our wall. We end up rejecting. We reversed. End up getting that continuation 1470. That's that final there. And then yes, there's another little pocket up to here if we get that continuation, which I would love to see up to that 1699. All right, cool. What do we do? All right, RVN. So yeah, RVN. So this one did great, right? So this morning we ended up charting this one up, and no, I'm not in this trade. Would have been a very good trade. I definitely would have already taken and leave some runners, but I've seen, yeah, clear gap up, no consolidation, clear as day. We broke under our wall, so we broke under that 1840. You can see we retested on the next candle. So next candle, it showed that it wanted to go to this downside even more. So that was another great confirmation. And then yeah, we ended up getting that push. For me at least, since it's the end of the day, if I was in this trade, I definitely would. For me, obviously, I would honestly trim and then just leave those rests and see if we could hit that 1754, and then that final will be that 1666. Yo, Mo, appreciate the follows. NVDA, yes sir, let's do it. All right, cool. So AVGO doesn't look too bad. NVIDIA, I haven't touched this in a while. We're still in our box. As you can see, yeah, in our box, I could care less. Want to see above that 177. So once we get this one, I want to close. I want a strong, nice close outside of our box, and then yeah, empty space above us up to that 182, which looks good. So yeah, we're just not there yet. So if we're in that box, no trade. Netflix, we've broken outside of our box here. Looks like we're trying to get this continuation now. So yeah, if we can continue 94, 86, and then that final would be that 95, 66. So that's what I can see there. Looks good. But yes, guys and gals, thank you all so much for tuning in. I do have to do a lot of typing for those end of day swing trades. So yes, thank you all so much for tuning back in. If you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat or the VIP chat. Honestly, free chat is there. See how you like it. You can scroll through and see what we do here inside the Discord. We will be posting the biggest code of the year, so make sure if you do plan on joining, make sure you'll see that at market close. So yes, other than that, I'll be on live tomorrow morning for that live analysis, so make sure to join up too as well. So yes, have a blessed one, guys. See you all soon, either in the Discord or in my next live stream. Have a blessed one.